Here he goes. There you go. Woo! Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Oh my gosh. I know. All right, we're heading to the next event.
We're now going to the Overland Swap Meet.
All right, let's go.
We just came from Long Beach from finishing running a 10K or 6.2 miles. We're now here in the city of Westminster for the Overland Swap Meet or Overland Swap, one of those. But anyways, here in front of us, look at all these awesome Overland Off-Road rigs here. So and here's our Corolla. And let's go. Check out all these awesome cool builds here. Oh wow, look at this Subaru. That's so nice. Wow, they got some nice wheels. A lot of them have methods. We got the Baja design lights. We got this nice new 4Runner here. We got some more 4Runners here. We got some Jeeps coming in. And we are now walking towards the place. Look at all these awesome 4Runners and off-road rigs parked here in the side. Here's a nice element.
Like, look at him vlogging, and he's still wearing his medal from the 10K. He's showing it off. He's showing it off. There you go. We're here in another event, so yeah.
We are walking towards hold on, he's gonna park here. Here's some more cool rigs here by the entrance. Look at all these cool builds over here. And there's the entrance right there, where the Van Speed flag is. All right, so we got some cool trucks here. Look at this with the carbon fiber. Look at the suspension. He got that mid-travel. Look at the wheels. We got some more cool Overland builds here. So here's all the stuff that they have here that they're showcasing. Wow, here's a nice van life. And we got some more cool trucks over here. Oh, here they got some of this for sale. Let's see what they got for sale here. I think these are like the pull-out systems. Oh wow, look, these are all the grills here for sale. They got some more cool stuff here for sale. Some solar panels. So they got the Overland Off-Road here. Here's some of the stuff they got here for sale, the products. They got some Baja designs here. They got some air compressors, aux beam. Here's the Overland Swap sign right there. They got some merchandise here for sale. We got some, I think, raffles. Yeah, we got some raffles. Inspired Overland tents. We got some more Baja design lights for sale. Wow, they have a lot of Baja design lights for sale. Here's some more camper stuff here. They have some organic plant-based Kung Fu tonic right there. They got some clothes here for sale. Some outdoor clothing. Oh, we got King Shocks here. Here's all their merchandises. Oh wow, that is so cool right there. Here's all their shirts. We got some K&N air filters. Some more products for sale. They got some Don't Take covers. Oh wow, we got some inflatable covers there for sale. Some more Overland products. Oh, we got some wheels here. We got some suspension for sale. The Furrunners 4Runner here. Oh, we got some cigar holders right there. Let's see if I can get a closer look. Oh, where? Look at those cigar holders right there. And then we got some more merchandises there for sale. The trauma first aid kits for sale there. We got some worn recovery kits. We got some show specials here. We got some more merchandises here. Hi. Some cool off-road clothing. We got some off-road hats. Oh, here's their food vendor. Oh, that looks so good right there. So they got some breakfast burritos, sandwiches. We got the DJ. Here's the Van Speed booth. And they got this for sale here. Some Overland products. They even got some solar panels. Oh, we got some tattoo. Oh crap, they got tattoos right there. Yeah, cool. That's so cool. Some of the designs right there. If which kind of tats you want to get. Not bad for the price too. We got some more cool Overland builds here. Here's a nice Chevy truck, Overland. He got the solar panels here for sale. And he got more product. Oh, he got this whole camper for $4,200 for sale. We got some more stuff here for sale. Oh, here's a nice Tacoma build. You got the Alpha Rex headlights, carbon fiber hood, Baja Design lights. Hi. Good, good. How are you? Good. They got some merchandise here for sale. They got all the power stations. They got the lights. They got some more Overland builds. Oh, we got some more Baja Design lights there for sale. Solar panels. Oh, wow. They're actually having some great deals here. They got some battery for sale. Have a lot of doggy friends here. Oh, hi there. Yeah, nice doggy friends. We got more doggy friends there. All right, so we're now headed over here. We got some more van life. We got some more doggy friends. So they're having the Overland Swap raffles. And these are the prices that they have. They got the Blackstone grill. They got Baja Design lights, portable power station. And I'm not sure if this is also part of it, but no, I think it is part of it. Yeah, it is part of it. So there you go. I think this is all it right here. So this is where we just came from. So wow, this is such a cool, nice, intimate Overland Swap Meet here.
Yes. There's a lot of great deals.
Yeah, a lot of Baja Design lights for sale too.
Yeah.
So that's cool. And they got food. They got beverages. They got everything here.
They have a lot of merch.
Yeah, a lot of merch.
And then also like overlanding gears.
A lot.
A lot.
We got Baja brake lights. If you want to put some brake lights for your truck, there's the mount right there. Oh, it's gonna look like that. There you go. And I think this is it, huh? And I think this is it. So while we're heading out, look at all these cool builds here. Here's a nice classic Toyota Land Cruiser 2-door. We have a lot of nice, amazing builds here in the parking lot. So there you go. Heading back. This is so cool. Look at this two Honda Element Overland builds here. That's nice. Check this out. Look at this cool Defender build here. The rotiform wheels has Toyo tires, and wow, I rarely see a off-road build of a Defender. It looks really nice. This nice TRD Pro Tundra. Wow, TE's Volk racing wheels. Yeah, with the Toyo tires, and he has those nice exhaust tips. All right, so we got some more 4Runners here. Here's a nice TRD off-road. There's a nice Jeep Rubicon with the KC lights. Here's another nice Tundra built here with some Method wheels, King shocks. Here's a 4Runner with some Method wheels. Jeep Gladiator, all Overland out. Oh wow, look at that nice classic Subaru Overland right there. Oh, this one has a Jurassic Park sticker. Here's a nice FJ Cruiser. Here's another nice Tacoma. We got some more Tacomas here in the front. One here too in the side. We have this nice Chevy Overland truck leaving. Look at that, all Overland out. Here's a nice Sequoia Overland here. A nice Lexus GX 470. Look at that with the Molly system, with the wheels. Here's a nice 4Runner with Toyo tires. And here's a nice Tacoma here in front of us, all Overland out. You got the awning, the tent, the Baja Design lights. You got the RWW wheels. Oh wow, a lot of cars left already. And we're back in our parking spot. All right, guys, so that was it. We're by our car.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot of cool builds here, and a lot of cool stuff for sale.
Yeah.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let's go. All right, guys, we're back here at L&L, and she got the chicken katsu, and I got me their Korean short ribs or Hawaiian short ribs with rice and macaroni salad. And there's the menu up there, and this is how this place looks like. Okay, let's do this. Looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Look, he's vlogging right now while he's showing off his medal. We're here at another event, so he needs to let everyone know that he finished a run today.